Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please join me in class. Let's make this multiple rabbit ear autogele. Yes, so I've already cut out all my materials, all the measurement that is needed. I've cut it out. So this one you are seeing here is for our base. For the sake of those that don't know how to make base, I'll be doing this again. So I cut out 24 inches I'm sorry, 22 inches. I mean 22 inches in 4 places, and this one right here is the handle. It is 13 inches to 13 inches. I just cut 13 inches and I split it into 2. You know, I like that slim hand. And this is the one we'll be using to form our rabbit ear. It's 8 pieces and it is 14 inches in 8 pieces. So this is the black that I used to mix the gold color, and I'll be putting it together like this and sewing it in the middle. Then I'll be folding the 2 sides. I also have these tiny pieces cut out. It's 3 inches measurement, and I have 4 of it. You know, I'll just be sewing the 2 sides, just double fold on it and sew it to make it slim. I'll be using for our loop. So let's get into class. I've already started sewing my base, and the reason why I'm showing this video here is it's going to be a tiny pleat. It's going to be a tiny pleat, and that is why I'm showing this video, to make you see how tiny the pleats are. So let's go. I know a lot of us know how to make this base. If you know how to make this base, you can skip this part and just continue with the rest of the tutorial. You know, it's been a while. I've been so busy lately, so I promise to try my best to, you know, bring videos to you. I promise I'll keep to that. I'll see what I can do. I've been so busy lately. To all my subscribers, I'm sorry for not uploading videos you know, consistently and regularly, but I'll try my best. So this is me forming my pleats. Let's go. And if today is your first time of stumbling on this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to help me like, love, and comment. Keep commenting so that it will also reach other people. This can be this will be very helpful to, you know, those that want to really learn headwears. And let me tell you that this style that I'm making right now, this style is mine, is my design. I did not see it anywhere. Of course, I know how to make rabbit ear, but this multiple rabbit ear is my design. It is what I created. Actually, I didn't know where to start, what to do when I was cutting out my measurements, you know, but I just did something. It is my design. So here I finished pleating. I think I have like 8 pleats. So now I want to attach my handle. You see the way I place my handle? My handle is very slim. I place it there and I'll sew it down like multiple stitches so that it will be very firm. You can see it. See how it is. It's very firm, and our base is ready. I'll be setting that aside. Now I've joined all my rabbit ear. Like I told you, I joined it in the middle. You know, I cut 14 inches in 8 places. So by the time we join it, we'll have just 4 pieces, you know. So you can decide to mix anyhow, your colors anyhow you want it, but this is what I have. So after joining it, I'll just fold on the 2 sides and sew it. So this is how I'll be forming my rabbit ear. You can see I've already formed one, but this is how we just pleat from that, like slantly pleat from one angle to the other, you know, just like so. A lot of us are so familiar with this forming this rabbit ear, or some people call it bow or leaf, double leaf or whatever, but I know I call it rabbit ear. So this is how I'll be forming the whole 4. You know, it's very easy. And after that, I'll be taking one of the small pieces I cut, like 3 inches. I've already folded the 2 sides and sew. So I'll be using it as the loop to cover the middle. I will just use it to wrap that place round, ensuring that the last part falls under. Yes, you can either secure this with the help of your needle and thread, or with the help of your glue gun, you know. So you can see I finished forming my rabbit ear. I kid you not, at this point I really did not know what to do. But let's go. You know, when you want to try something, I just ran out of design and style, so I just I fixed my base on my model, my mannequin. So I started with my black rabbit ear. With the help of my glue gun, I use my glue gun all through here. So I fix my black on it, and the next thing I want to do is to fix the gold. You can see the way I clip the gold together in the middle to be very, very close, and I also stick it on that black, you know, with the help of my glue gun. Please, when you are attaching this, be patient. Don't just put your glue gun. So I repeat the process behind. You can see how I'm doing it. I'll just do that. Be patient when you are trying to, you have applied your glue gun and you're sticking it on it. Hold it firm for some time. It will take a while so that it can be properly glued. And this is the end result. Thank you for watching. Bye.